Good day, all of you. My name is Y.W. Kumara. My number make 23 B2 and 04. Today I discuss about a C++ program. What are the instruction? How to create that? I will one by one I explain that. Firstly, we are discussed about what is a computer program. That is, a computer program is a set of instructions that a computer follows to perform a specific task or solve a problem. These instructions are written in programming language such as C++, Python or Java, which allows humans to communicate with the computer in a structured way. When a program runs, it is executed step by the computer's central pro. That is a normal definition. That is firstly we are discuss input and output operation. That is the cout and cin. I mentioned that cout is used to display prompt and messages to user. Cin is used to take a user input for the name and index number. That is a normal definition. And next we are using a variables. Variable is a name storage location in memory that hold as a value. Variable are fundamental in programming because they allow to store data that can be modified and retrieved throughout the program. That is a normal definition. That is next if else. In C++, if else is a control statement used to make design your code based on the certain condition. It allows the program to execute one block of code if condition is true and another block if it is false. Again, if condition code to execute if condition is true. Next else code to execute if condition is false. That is one. Else if. Okay, we can discuss the if else ladder, also known as the if else if ladder, is a control flow statement used in programming to make decision based on multiple conditions. It is series of if statements where each condition is checked in sequence. Next we are discuss about while. While C++, the while statement is a control flow structure that repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. It is used for the creating loops. There are a number of iterations. It's not necessarily known in advance but depend on the condition being met. Again discuss while there is a code to be executed as long as condition is true. That's a normal definition. And we are using strings, collection of pre-compiled code that developer can use to add functionality to their program without having to write that code from scratch. String provide a way to reuse common functionalities, improve code efficiency that reduce development time. Okay, that is my presentation. I explained that what are the using of the C++ program and that is the instruction. We are starting how to starting a C++ program. Again, firstly we are touching firstly Visual Studio 2022. Let's open that. Okay, create a new project. Typing a C++. Okay, just select about next. Oh, sorry, empty project and next and create. Okay, next source file, select, click right side and select add, new item, select. Okay, the C++ CO file, again add. Okay, that is a step by step I explained that the how to opening a empty C++ programming page. We are starting above mentioned that instruction how to use the this program. Firstly, we are initially include that include IO stream enter using name space std gone. Let's say next. We are starting a firstly string password. We are starting that is string password semicolon. Next, we can typing about string are more than we can apply that. Okay, that's a one by one I explain that how to create programming and running. The string is the first string is password. Second string correct password equal Vimal. We have mentioned that as a password Vimal. Semicolon enter. Second, third string correct password equal Mac. And enter. String message equal came to Colombo. That's the correction that come to Colombo evening. That is a message. Okay, that's the correction that okay, semicolon. That is the string having mentioned that is the 4 strings. At the next integer, we can show int main empty bracket and open that. Int main. While that's a instruction of the C++ program. While 1 while is used to as loops. While cout, there's a input and output operation. Cout please password enter. Okay, this program is I enter the cout, please enter the password, close the endl and cin and password. That is if password 1 and password 2, that is the correct password, and cout executing message are written 0. Again, else, the if it is a password is correct, that is a true, else password is incorrect, that's a false. That is the input and out if else conditions. Cout password is wrong and endl. Again closing that. Okay, one by one I explain that this small program that are run. Okay, that's execute cout. Please enter the password. We are enter the first password Vimal. At enter. Execute the cout the came to Colombo evening. That is my message. That is enter the enter the password Vimal. Say that is seen and cout to this message. Okay. Next. That is again run that. That's closed. Right, please enter the password. Secondly, enter the incorrect password. Yes, and the other names. That is enter. Password is wrong. That is out in the password is wrong. That's please enter the password. Again, incorrect password. That's enter. Password is wrong. Please enter. That is a looping action of the while. That is a program. What is the input and output operation? That's the if else action, and C in and C out, that is a while, that is the looping action, and closing that. I explained that this program, I one by one I explained that how to write a small program and create that. That is my page is my video is closed. Thank you.